Wearing the WS101 on a lapel and answering a call. In this video, we will learn how to connect the WS101 to a lapel and answer a call. Make sure the fabric is flat and firm before attaching the device. Slide the clip over the edge of your clothing until the device feels secure. Place the device within 20 centimeters or 8 inches of your mouth. Ensure the device is upright, with a speaker and microphone facing you. When you receive an incoming call, the LED ring light blinks green. To answer the call, press the multifunction or pairing button. Once the call is complete, press the MFB or pairing button twice to end the call.